Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm talking about top 11 remote jobs for beginners. So if you're just starting out with remote job, remote work, or you are thinking of making money from home, maybe you are a family man. I'm also a family man and I work from home and I earn a living from it. So maybe you're a family man or a family woman, if there's anything like that, and you would like to earn a living working from home without stress, without more stress, because there is no job without stress. So if this looks good to you, this $100 bill, if you want to earn something like this, you feel like, oh, I want to earn dollars from home, whichever country we are from, this is a powerful money. I'm based in Nigeria, and I can tell you that if I change this tomorrow, I almost like to change tomorrow. If I change this tomorrow, this would be 145,000 naira, Nigerian naira. So what are we talking about today? Top 11 jobs that can pay you lots of this from home. But this depends on you. Because working remotely is not an avenue for you to be lazy. It's not an avenue for you to feel like, oh, I'm not going to do anything, I'm just going to sit at home and earn a living. It's an opportunity for you to what? Spend time with your family while also making money. It's an avenue for you to reduce the pressure that life is throwing at you, especially if you are from a third world country. So I'm happy to tell you that you can actually stay in your house this year and earn whatever you have been earning out there. The traffic, the hustling and the bustling and all. If it's something you want to learn, make sure you stay right there. I'll be right back. But before then, make sure you share this video with your friends. Make sure you drop a comment if you need advice, support, or you want me to link you up with some of these opportunities. Drop a comment and I will definitely reach out to you. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. Make sure you like this video so that more persons can see it. I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. So as said earlier, these are the top 11 remote jobs for beginners. See, if I were you, I would watch one of my videos that I said top 4 available remote jobs or so. The link is right there, and I will also drop it in the description section. So those ones, I have absolute influence on them. I can easily link you up with those in charge, and you can also get started. So, and this will lead me to the number 1. So the first remote job you can take as a beginner is to work for an international NGO. Now, I currently work with a major NGO that is, the NGO has lots of sub NGOs that they work with. We call the NGO WorldMerit. Now, WorldMerit has some sub NGOs and they're always recruiting. Under it, we have Volunteer for Cause. Under it, we have Action University. Now, the good part is, while Action University is always recruiting at least like 2-3 persons almost per month, that's interns and full-time staff. Volunteer for Cause is also recruiting full-time and intern staff, like 4 to 7 people per month. Then even WorldMerit itself is always recruiting like 4 to 7 persons every month. But you have to check their website. So I'll also drop the website in the description section. Also, if you need the website, if it's not there, because it's going to be for a limited time, if it's not there, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section so I can send the link to you. You can check it out, apply for the ones you're interested in, and if you have time, also drop a comment that you need help with me linking you up with one or 2 of them, so that I can maybe fast track your application or possibly demand to see your CV to see if there are opportunities available for you. I have some platforms personally that I recruit for. So if you can, do these things effectively, I can assure you that the least we get paid on any of these intern roles is $100. We have people that earn as high as $1,000, $1,500, $2,000. You know, some of them have been there for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, working with these organizations, and they earn that much. But mostly, starting pay as an intern is usually between $100 to $200 per month. But you work from home and you work like 20 hours a week. But it depends on your boss, it depends on the NGO you are working with or the sub NGO you are working with. Yeah, so like I said, the first one is working with NGO. Now the second one is when you work as a customer support representative. There are lots of organizations on the internet that hire customer support, but in some cases they require that you have experience. I will advise that you go on LinkedIn and search for these opportunities. They're always there. Now it depends on country, but if you're exceptional, if you are good or you have experience, you can easily get them. So they send you some initial funds to set up your customer support environment, and from there you start making money from home and work for them. You get paid at the end of the month, depending on the contract you sign with them. Now the third one is data entry clerk. I used to have a friend in Ogun State, Nigeria, that works as a data entry clerk. So what you do as a data entry clerk is to enter details on an Excel document. So there are a lot of, in short, most likely NGOs, they go out, they organize events, then they send the data collected, they send it to you. Then what you do is you gather this data and you help them enter it on spreadsheets, on some other stuff. Maybe you're a data analyst, or even when so far you have a laptop and you have the time to help them input all this information. Some accounting organizations too. So if you are looking for an opportunity, this is the best time to hit the target. I'm going to list these things out in the description section. Like I said earlier, if you need support concerning any of them, please reach out to me in the comment section. Don't also forget to share this with your friends, and make sure you also subscribe, because if you drop a comment and you did not subscribe, I might not be able to help you. That's the fact. Virtual assistant. Now you can assist with emails, with calendar, with social media. This job is quite popular, especially on TikTok. I see adverts about people needing virtual assistant on TikTok. Then I noticed that there is a trend now in Africa. Most law firms are looking for virtual assistants. So if you know how to work as a virtual assistant, this might be an opportunity for you. I currently don't have any opening for virtual assistant, but if I have, I'll make a video about it. And also, if you think that is what the role that fits you, you might want to drop a comment. Maybe because of you, I will hunt for these opportunities and share with you. Now the other one is transcriptionist. Now the funny thing is, some of you are hearing these things for the first time. Who is a transcriptionist? All you need to do is what? Listen to audio, transcribe. Now I've had a case where a friend of mine had to transcribe for an organization in UK. They needed to market some products to a Yoruba community in the UK, and they had to call this guy. The guy, they needed someone they could pay cheaply in Africa. So they contacted these guys and recruited from Nigeria. We recruited for them, and the organization I used to work with them recruited for them. Yeah, so they selected some of our guys in Nigeria that understood Yoruba. So if you are to book something in UK, the target was the Yoruba market. Now instead of hiring somebody in UK, they would pay cheap money to someone in Nigeria that speaks Yoruba fluently and also speak English. Then the person will answer them, close the deal and everything. Now, so you can also do transcription. You can be a transcriptionist in the sense that they send audio to you, transcribe, you convert it to maybe a local language. It might be French. For example, I can remember vividly that WorldMerit, Action University under WorldMerit, is currently looking for someone that speaks French. So one of the duties you'll be having there is when they have materials, you transcribe them into French, because Action University has people from Francophone countries, the French-speaking countries, Congo and Senegal and some other countries. So guys, what are you waiting for? There are lots and lots of opportunities on the internet. Now the next one is online tutor. This is becoming very popular in Africa too, because there are a lot of e-learning platforms now in Nigeria. Now you can become an online tutor. You teach online. Instead of earning that peanut in that school you are teaching, give yourself some brain. My wife, the friend, is an online tutor and she lives a better life. She stays online all day, teaching students some basic subjects, and you can earn. These are opportunities for you. There are lots of children in Nigeria and even in the world. Are you trying to tell me that you cannot get 1 or 2 to teach monthly? Even if you are a music director, you can teach music. If you study political science, you can teach government. If you study literature, you can teach English. Or you studied English, you can teach literature. If you study civic education, whatever it is, just do something. Now, the next one is content writer. I am always hiring content writers. If you're a content writer, drop a comment that you're a content writer. I will reach out to you, or one of my team members will reach out to you. I'm always hiring content writers, and I think my pay is on the average. So it depends on you, and if you are okay with our pay. But as long as you're a good writer, I have lots of websites that I manage, even for myself and for my clients, and we're always hiring writers. So if you're a good writer, drop a comment. So you can become a content writer, write for people, and you make money from content. You write articles for people, they post on their website and they pay you. As long as you are not using AI to generate your content, but if you use AI, I'm going to sack you. Yes, you. I will sack you if you use AI to write your content. Yeah. So we also have those that do social media management. Sincerely, personally, I only manage, I think, my Facebook. I have someone that manages my LinkedIn. Yeah. So you can become a social media manager. I personally have 13 certifications on digital marketing. So you should know that it is a very lucrative niche. Don't look down being a social media manager. In short, in America, social media managers earn up to from $50,000 to $150,000 per month, per year rather. So what are you waiting for? Become a social media manager today and you will not regret it. There are lots of organizations, companies that need social media managers. Now, another thing is, like I said, freelance writing. You can write for blogs, articles, and all. I think I mentioned that earlier. It's the same thing as content writing, but on the other hand, you can get these gigs from Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and other platforms. So you can become a freelance writer. Freelance writer means you are not on my payroll, basically, but you can always get gigs, Now, another one is online survey taker. I made a video where I mentioned some platforms you can do online survey and get paid through paper. Have you watched it? If you have not watched it, this might be an opportunity for you to watch it. Go and watch it. You can take surveys and earn a living. The major challenge we used to have, or we've always had before this month, or last month rather now, I think we're in February now, it was that PayPal was not allowed in Nigeria, but this year, PayPal now works in Nigeria. So if you take surveys, you will definitely get paid. So don't dull this moment. Don't dull yourself. Go and take this opportunity. Become a survey taker. Surveys don't take time. Maximum 5 minutes you are done. And you get paid into your PayPal account. And from your PayPal account, you can move your money into your Paga account. If you don't know how this works, check the description section. I will drop the link there where you can learn how this things work. Now, the last but not the least is video editor. These guys earn so much. I've seen editors that earn like $400 per video just to edit a video. $200, $100 to edit a video. Even videos that you don't know if they will blow or not, if people watch the video or not, whether they will make money from it or not. People watch, they once you know how to edit a video, you are already a millionaire. People want video editors. They want to create content sent to you via Google Drive or whatever it is, Dropbox. You edit and you send back to them, and they upload on their channel, on social media and other platforms. So becoming a remote worker is very easy. You see this paper you are seeing, you should be making like 10 of it per month. The major thing is to get started. So it all depends on you. Whatever you think the area you fit in. I'm listing these things in the description section so that you can see them. Choose a niche. If you need support, you need guidance, you need mentorship, let me know. In short, for the next 6 months, I'll be doing it free of charge. I'll give you free support for the next 6 months till you start getting your at least like $200 to $500 per month. So I would like to see your comments. Share this video with your friends, and if this is the first time watching our videos, please make sure to subscribe. I would like to see you in the next video. Thank you and bye for now.